Today's product spotlight is going to focus on an in-chassis overhaul kit for a C15 Acert. Part number is going to be an MCIF 3569946. Now this kit is going to fit engines with serial number prefixes BXS, NXS, and MXS in the 600 to 625 horsepower range. It's going to come complete with an upper gasket set. Everything you need to take the head off and put the head back on, including your injector O-rings, your turbo installation set. It's a very complete upper gasket set. This kit comes with high-performance forged steel monotherm pistons, 17:1 compression ratio for those high-performance, high-horsepower engines. It's also going to come with 6 ring sets that include the heavy haul top ring. It's going to come with 6 liners and liner seals, your complete lower end bearing kit, your rod bearings, your main bearings, your thrust bearings, and a complete pan gasket set. Everything you need to take the pan off and put the pan back on. So ironically enough, with this particular kit as well, with feedback from our customers, there's a lot of guys that are using this on the lower horsepower C15 Acerts. Guys that do single turbo conversions, they like that 17:1 compression piston when they're building high horsepower. So this kit would also work in a situation like that. If it's something that you're interested in and you need more information on, check the description below. There's a link down there. You can click on it. It'll take you right to the product page. You can give us a shout at 844-447-1453, or you can check us out on the web, highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.